Let's try one last matrix multiplication problem. So here we have a 3 by 2 matrix, and here we have a 2 by 3 matrix. So these have the same number of columns and rows, which tells us that if I multiply P times Q, I should be getting a 3 by 3 matrix. So this is telling us that PQ should be a 3 by 3 matrix. So let's try this. So PQ equals my first matrix, 8, -7, -2, 4, 0, 3. This is going to be multiplying the matrix 9, -3, 2, 6, -1, -5. Okay, so let's go through and do this multiplication. So the first entry, so in row 1, column 1 in PQ, I'm going to have 8 times 9. So this row times this first column. So we have 8 times 9 plus -7 times 6. And then my first row, second column, is going to be 8 times -3 plus -7 times -1. And then first row, third column should be 8 times 2 plus -7 times -5. -7 times -5. And that is going to be our first row. So we're done with this row. For the second row, we're going to take the second row and then multiply down each column. So we have -2 times 9 plus 4 times 6. Then we'll do -2 times -3 plus 4 times -1. And then we'll do -2 times +2 plus 4 times -5. And we're done with this second row. And lastly, take the last row and multiply down these columns. So 0 times 9 plus 3 times 6. 3 times 6. 0 times -3 plus 3 times -1. And then 0 times 2 plus 3 times -5. And then go through and simplify. So this is 72 minus 7 times 6, that's 42. 8 and -3 is -24, and then plus 7. This is going to be 16 and 35. This is -18 and +24. Here we have 6 and -4. This is -4 and -20. 0 plus 18. 0 minus 3. And 0 minus 15. So what does this product equal? So I'm going to write this here. So 72 minus 42, that is 30. Actually, I'm going to give myself a little more space. 30. -24 plus 7, that is -17. 16 and 35, that's 51. -18 and 24, that's going to be +6. 6 minus 4 is 2. -4 minus 20 is -24. 0 plus 18 is just 18. 0 minus 3 is -3. And 0 minus 15 is -15. So this is the product of P and Q, and we result in a 3 by 3 matrix, as we could suspect we would get from this here.